Hello, hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Yes, I'm super excited. My little baby is turning 2. So we're here for Araya's photo shoot, her 2-year birthday photo shoot, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna be vlogging that. Today is Wednesday, June 22nd. She turns 2 on Saturday. Wait, today's the 22nd. She turns 2 on the 25th. Yep. So that's Saturday. Okay, so just come along. If this is your first time, hi, welcome. Welcome. Where have you been? Welcome. You're not late to the club, all right? If you like this content, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, let's get into the video. Birthday girl. Look at you. Look at who is oh my goodness. Look at who is Alright? Oh, no, not today. Happy birthday to you. Mommy has a mask on, I know. Happy birthday to you, my boo-boo. Happy birthday, dear Rai. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my baby. You're 2 today. God bless you. God keep you. God cause his face to shine upon you, and the Lord be gracious to you. In Jesus' name. Happy birthday. Happy 2nd birthday, Raya. Are you ready to party? Let's go party! Yay! Guys, so we are at the venue, and here's my outfit. And I'm gonna show you guys Rai pretty soon. So I'm just gonna go set up. And how do you like it? It's not my birthday. My birthday was 2 weeks ago, but I feel like this is my birthday now. I wasn't even this excited on my birthday, but this is not my birthday. Come and say hi. Okay. So this is the decor, guys. This is what the room looks like. Really pretty, really nice. And then the favors, I can't remember what is. I think it's the gift basket. And then the water as well is customized. Araya it too. And here's the gift box, really cute. And the garland, happy birthday, Araya. And then the cake, we're gonna open that up. I'm really excited. Yes, guys, this birthday is about to happen. Hi, birthday girl. Look at my birthday princess in her Versace. Oh, designer baby.
These little smells like baby today.
Birthday girl. Araya. Araya, say hi. Say hi. How does it feel to be 2?
The same as 1.
Hi guys, how old am I? But this is 1. Okay. I don't think she wants. Yeah, let's not force her. Birthday girl doesn't want face painting. No face paint. Look at mommy. Look, mommy has a butterfly. Look how cute. No, you just want mommy to carry you.
No, she just want to go under the table.
Yeah. On me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby. The things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyamateng beolo, nyamateng beolo, nyamateng beolo, nyamateng beolo. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Nyamateng beolo, nyamateng beolo, nyamateng beolo, nyamateng beolo. Fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. So fashionably late. Wind up on the place, now all of the guys want you. She shut it down and knows how to move it and checking what I'm gon' do. You know what I'm gon' do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you could flip us. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah my thing, no, yeah my thing, yeah my thing, no, yeah my thing, she said let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah, baby, do you know if you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me? She said let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Baby, do you know if you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me? She said let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah, yeah my thing, no, yeah my thing, yeah my thing, no, yeah my thing. She said let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah. Hey, why you gotta be so cold sometimes, girl? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, on me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels so right, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah my thing, no, yeah my thing, yeah my thing, no, yeah my thing. She said let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah. Nyama tengbe olo, nyama tengbe o, fa nyama tende olo, nyama tende o.